Okay, so welcome
Hello,
to our
everybody.
first ever stream with TypeScript. Yeah, I'm Max. I'm a junior software engineer here at Arconsis, and I will introduce Stephan to TypeScript and to the world of programming now. Right, so first I want to talk about what TypeScript is and why I want to introduce you to TypeScript out of all the languages that are out there. And yeah, I think let's get started, right?
Let's go.
So I brought you a little something. So first of all, what is TypeScript? TypeScript, I have a link to their website. So TypeScript is just like it says here, it is JavaScript, but with syntax for types.
What does that mean?
That's a very good question. And what types exactly are, we'll get into a bit later.
Okay.
And basically, you can just think of it as a superset for JavaScript. So like a level above JavaScript is what it basically is.
Quick question.
Yeah.
What am I using TypeScript for?
That's a very good question. And that's exactly what I want to get into now. JavaScript is, no worries. I'm always happy to answer questions. So JavaScript is the language of the web. So every website, almost every website that you've probably ever used is running on TypeScript. TypeScript, at least at some level. Like this website is using TypeScript. This website is using TypeScript or JavaScript. I mean, sorry. And yeah, exactly. So JavaScript is the web. So if you want to be a programmer, a web developer, then you should know TypeScript. And it's not only in the front end. So the front end is things the user can see, like this website, for example, but it's also in the back end. So stuff that happens in the servers and yes, like for example, if you log into a website, that's usually happening in the back end. And yeah, so JavaScript is everywhere, and TypeScript is getting more and more popular by the minute. So there's actually this very cool survey called the State of JavaScript, which comes out every year, and thousands and thousands of web developers answer questions there to determine what's popular in JavaScript right now and loads of things. And as you can see here, there's many flavors, they're called, of JavaScript, just like TypeScript is a flavor. And in the survey, as you can see here, a lot of people think that TypeScript is the most popular one, or they use TypeScript compared to like the second most popular Elm. There's a massive difference, as you can see.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. So that's like not a big surprise if you're in the web development world that TypeScript is so popular. But what surprised me a bit was to see this right here. It's also in the survey. So they asked the people if they spent more time writing JavaScript or TypeScript. And a few years ago, this would have looked very different. Mm-hmm. But now, as you can see, there's a lot more people who use TypeScript than there's people who use JavaScript. And yeah, that's basically why I want to introduce you to TypeScript and don't want you to start out at JavaScript, because I also think that if you know TypeScript, then you know how to code in JavaScript, but not the other way around.
Yeah.
So think of it as like when you drive a car, you know how to drive stick shift, and you also know how to drive automatic, but not the other way around.
Yeah.
That's how I like to think of it. And yeah, that's where we're going to start today. So
awesome. I'm really looking forward to this.
Yeah.
I hope I'm getting something out of it. Maybe this is the start of a new career here.
Yeah, we'll see.
We will see.